Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how you can create this type of abstract wave animation in the Blender 3.6. It's a very amazing animation. I created it with the geometry nodes and you can see that it's a very simply geometry node setup, and I will show you then how you can create with a simple way. So let's start without wasting our time. And again, I'm sorry because it's been a very long time that I'm not making any kind of video related to the 3D modeling or animation because of some problems. So now we are going to continue our sessions and the videos, and I want to inform you one more thing, that I just created two games with the help of the Unity and the Blender, and I will be start a course about how to create games using Blender and the Unity, and I will start with the FPS first person shooter with the help of Unity. Okay, and it will be start soon, so please subscribe my channel and share this video to your friends. So let's start. Now just press Ctrl N and create another file. So we are going to create another file. So first of all, delete all objects here, just Shift A, plane, and now let's look better. Let's go to the geometry nodes here. So first create join geometry. Okay, so let's start. Again, create set position. Okay, and now let's create instance on point. You can see that nothing is happening here, so don't worry about that. Let's create another node called distribute points on faces, and just connect to them to points here, and object info, just connect to this geometry to the instance. And one last thing is combine XYZ connected to the scale. Okay, now that's very good. And connected this normal to the rotation also. I can zoom that. Now look at this. Now you can see that nothing is happening here. Don't worry about that. So let's create another combine XYZ and just connect that to the offset here. Now you can see that we have a bunch more nodes here. So let's set up one more thing. Shift A, add a set position, another set position here. Sorry, the key is not working. Okay. I think the key is not working here, so don't worry about that. So don't worry. Let's create another combine XYZ. Just connect to the offset, and next one is Shift A, scale elements, connected to the here, and change the face to uniform. That's what. And now subdivide mesh, connected to this. Now you can see everything is done, but one more thing you have to do. Just add a simply math node here, and just change it to multiply and connect this to combine XYZ node here. Now you can see that. And just vector math node, sorry, mix node here, and connect this to Z, and now you can see that we can change here. Okay, so everything is done, but we need something amazing things. So let's add a wave texture here and connect this to A, and add a musgrave texture and connect this to B and the value of A. Now change it to 4D. Now what we do now? So let's start our real work here. So we just created a simply node setup here, but we have to control them by here. So what we should do now? We just create a setup of nodes where we can control them here without going to geometry nodes setup. Okay, so what we do now? We will just connect all of them by there. How is that possible? Just look at this. It's just a simple thing. I will show you. Okay, so just connect here, connect this to here, and now you can see that we just got the name, we just got an option name level, but we will rename this, change the name to subdivide, because we want to subdivide our mesh. Okay, so change it to here 12. Okay, you can simply change the value from here. Okay, another one, I want a randomized option from here. So what should I do now? For my randomized option to the factor, just connect to the here and change this name to randomize, because I want to randomize all of the waves texture according to our panel and according to our plane. So the third thing, I want wrinkles on them. So what I do now, I will connect those three to the scale point. I zoom on this and connect this to scale, and connect this to also a scale. Okay, now go to the scale point and change them to wrinkles, because I want some more wrinkles here so I can control them. Now you can change them. Wow, that's too amazing. So wrinkles, and now I want to animate this, so I just connect this to W and change this to animation and animate what you want. Okay, the third one, I want to connect to the phase offset here. It's a very important. So I change this to offset, and another one is a scale point. Okay, I just want to connect this to here, scale elements, and name the scale as well as. Okay, and I want a distortion here. So where is the distortion option here? I want to see that. Where is the option of distortion here? Let's take a look. Just look at the one point. Where is the option of distortion? That's here, distortion option. Okay, don't change it, change the name. And now I want to name the object. So where is the object info? This is here. Okay, don't change the name also. I want density. So where is the density option? Where is the density option? This is here. Now the density must be 1. Oh sorry, the density must be 1, not 10. Okay, and now I want a seed. So where is the seed? I just set up the whole input here where we can control them by this. You can see that we control them from here. That's why I'm just trying to control them. Okay, you can see here. Okay, so let's do something more, and let's change the size of this. 1, 2 and 3, and change the x value to name as size. This is a size function, we need that. Okay, and the last one is a float value, and the last one is a float value that we need that. Now you can see. Wow. One more thing I just want to tell you that I just done something mistake here. So my friends, I think we should have to do something more and more. So just connect them and leave them, and just connect to here and change the z value to another note. Where is that? Yes, this is here. Now our nodes is completed. So let's set up the value and we will get the answer. So change this value to 0.75. You can see that, and change the wrinkles value to here. Change the animation value, offset values, scale values. You can see that the scale, you can distort them. The density, the size, the z value. Okay, so now what should we do now? Just change the value according to it. Now we can see that we have all values here. I just created it before. The density, the wrinkles are 1, the animation are 0. Let's check that. The wrinkles are 5, so let's change it to 1, and the offset is 0, choppiness is 1. Oh, we just forgot the choppiness. What is that? That's too good, boys, that's too good. The choppiness more. So we just forgot that. Sorry, I just forgot about that. So let's check. Made another function called choppiness and just name it to here. Value, and let's make this choppiness and just change the value to the 1 here. So okay, everything is perfect. Scale is 8.6. now check the scale is, where is the scale, 8.6. change the 8.6 here and change the value. I just try to do my best, that's why I am copying this value I used before. Okay, okay, everything is perfect. Okay, everything is perfect. Density is 1, seed is 0, size is 0, choppiness, and everything we need. Just doing something best. Okay, so let's go to the layout panel, go to here, and let's change the value. You can see that subdivision is 8, so change the value of subdivision into 8. Now you can see we have a rough surface here, wrinkles value. What should we do now? Wrinkles value equals to 1. To change the wrinkles value to 1. Now you can see that we have an amazing wave here. Okay, and now change this value to 0 and change this value to hashtag frame divided by 90 degrees, 90. Okay, and change the offset value also, hashtag frame divided by 20. Okay, now you can see that is amazing texture. Wow, I'm very impressed. Now you can see that, but we have not a smoothness here, so let's make something smooth. Okay, you can check that the values are here. So change the value of density equals to 1, seeds equals to 0, size is nothing matter. Okay, change this to shade smooth. Now you can check that's look more amazing, bro. The amazing textures, the amazing animation here, you can see that. Now that's good. I don't think that's not perfect, but this is perfect. This is really good for me. Okay, so let's shade that. Go here and just change the value. I need a color of just like little bit pink, roughness. If you need that, you can choose color what you want. Okay, a little bit more. Okay, that's perfect. Go to the world view, change the value to black, create a sunlight, shift A, change the value to here, sunlight to 10 on 5, that's 5 is perfect, and camera and view, camera to view, and change this value to here. And now you can see that the animation looks so amazing. But if you want to use in the cycles, you can go ahead. The cycles look more amazing, but according to my CPU, that's not possible to render this to the cycles. So I hope so friends you like this video very much, and the geometry node setup that I have done. So this is my project that I have done in the Blender before 1 week ago. So I know that my English is very weak, but I'm trying to do my best. So friends, if you like this video, please share to your friends and subscribe my channel, like and share to your all friends. And as I told you before, I'm starting a course about the FPS first person game development. I just added a link in the description of my game that I have made in the Unity and the help of the Blender. You can play that game and please give me a feedback. So we will meet in our next video. Subscribe my channel. I will meet you in my next video. Bye bye, see you later.